Okay, so I've just brought up the screen from an email where I'm going to do a sample PPP loan. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to complete the documents on this system so that we can then fund your loan directly into your checking account here at Sterling State Bank. So I've just opened the email that I've received from Sterling State Bank saying it wants me to sign the documents via Docusign. This is the page that I open, and as you can see, it's very bright yellow, review documents. This is what I'll click on to take me to the documents that I will be signing through my computer on Docusign. So I've clicked through on the email to review documents. The first page that comes up on the Docusign website is where you need to agree to use electronic records and signatures. You can read about that here, and I would encourage all borrowers to do so, but it's fairly standard. I've read it before. I'm going to agree and continue on to the next page. Now that you've agreed to sign electronically, it's time to review the documents related to this loan. The most important is always the note. The note sets out all the terms for this loan. So this is under the Paycheck Protection Program. The date on our sample loan here is April 7th. The loan amount, that's going to come from what you applied for on your original application. The interest rate is 1% fixed. Here we've just made a funny name that it's Tyler Coleman Inc. and it's based out of Keystone because I like skiing. And the lender is Sterling State Bank. So the borrower agrees to pay back $100,000. We have some definitions here related to the loan. And then we get into the payment terms. This is important. So again, as I did the breakdown of how this loan works, there are no payments for 6 months. So because this was a note and a loan done on April 7th, the first payment is not until November 7th, 2020. It says that there are 17 consecutive monthly payments of $5,627.70 and a final payment of $5,627.59. So you have 18 basically equal payments starting on November 7, 2020. That is assuming no forgiveness whatsoever. But again, as we've stated, even if there is forgiveness on this loan, this is your monthly payment amount for all of the unforgiven loan amount related to this loan. Early payments are without recourse, meaning there's no prepayment penalty on any of these loans. After the repayment terms, there's a number of standard terms in this note that we encourage you to read through and understand. If you have any questions, contact your financial institution. Once you're okay with the terms and understand them, then we move to signing via Docusign, which I'm going to walk you through now. We're ready to sign. This is exciting. This is when you're going to finish this application. You're going to get funded a good amount of money that's going to help your business survive and help you to pay your employees in a difficult time. So this red box here, I'm going to say that I'm the president of my made-up company. You please put in the actual position that the signer holds. And then to sign, we simply click on sign, and it auto-populates a signature with the letters of my name. And that is good enough to sign this document. Underneath it, there's amortization schedule that shows you how the loan is paid off. And now we just click finish to complete this document. So I've pressed finish, the documents are signed, and then this screen came up. It says log into Docusign. This is not required. I've actually already been sent a confirmation email with an attached PDF of the documents that I've just signed. You do have the option of logging in here, but I'm going to just choose no thanks. By logging in, you'd have access to a digital copy in your Docusign account if you already have one, but this is not required. So now, the loan documents are signed. They have been uploaded to Sterling State Bank. There's a copy of the signed note in your email. This is everything that you need to do. The loan will now be funded into your Sterling State Bank checking account, and you can use those funds for your payroll, for your mortgage interest, for your lease, or for utilities. And the next is we can start working towards providing documentation so that this loan is forgiven. We want to thank you for trusting us with your business. And in this difficult time, we're happy that we're able to provide the PPP program to you and your company. The information contained in this video is not to be construed as legal advice. This is for informational purposes only on the Paycheck Protection Program. This program is changing almost daily, and this video was prepared on April 7th. So everything that you hear, bring it to your legal advisor or financial advisor so that they can give you up-to-date information and information specific to your business.